After clicking the link to go to screencastify.com, your next step is to click the blue box that says Add to Chrome. It'll navigate you to this page. You're going to click Add to Chrome, the blue rectangle on the right. It'll ask you again. This time you're going to click the white rectangle to add the extension. It will add the extension to your web browser up here. Okay? Now, the first time, you'll need to find it in your extensions by clicking the puzzle piece. And then you'll look through your extensions and you'll find it. It'll be the orangish, pinkish arrow. You're going to click the pin, and that will pin it up here to your web browser, and it'll live there forever. Okay, and so now the first time you go to use your Screencastify app, you'll click on it, and since you haven't used it yet, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. And that's important because it'll save all of your videos to your school Google Drive account, so you'll know where to find them. From there, you'll want to make sure to find your name and make sure it is your granitesd.org email. Click there. That will sign you in. It'll ask you a few questions. Just make sure you answer them honestly. This app isn't limited to any students older than 13. It just might ask you some of those pieces of information. It'll take you to your recordings. It might, since you could be a new user, ask you to watch a demo. There's no need to watch that demo. I'll go over those tools at another time in another video when I explain your assignment. You can simply close that window.